DDIN radio provision. Painted silver to match factory finish. Select 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. High-grade ABS plastic construction ensures a long-lasting secure fit. Made in the USA. This double DIN radio dash installation kit for select 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry vehicles, is designed and manufactured with precision tolerances for a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Kit accommodates an ISO DDIN radio. Features high-grade ABS plastic construction and painted silver to match factory dash color and texture style. Includes mounting hardware and step-by-step instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Read the instructions. I forgot to salvage some clips off my factory radio, so now I need to pull it out again. The color is not an exact match, but if you're looking at the shiny head unit instead of this, it's not noticeable.